Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends Reconnect error. Click here, type Windows Update Settings, and now once you're here, all you have to do is check for updates and install all the updates that you can find here in Windows Update Settings, and then wait for it. And if you can't find any updates, click View Optional Updates, and then you will find here driver updates. Click on it, and as you see here, you must find a driver update, so just click on it and then click download and install. And after that, just go back, and now after installing any update, all the updates that you can find here, restart your PC, and after starting your PC, go to League of Legends, go to settings, go to game. Now check this option and click done. Now your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.